Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an additional element to my existing combat system. So like in this is a video from Assassin's Creed Odyssey, and as you can see here, so when an enemy is about to attack, let's go to a proper place. Right, so here look at that enemy. So look at this enemy. So when that enemy is about to attack, we can see that for example, take this enemy, we can see that attack is coming, so that player has some time to read the enemy's body and defend or evade or do some action. So but in my combat system, but my combat system, if I want to block, there is little or no reaction time for that. Consider this example. He's suddenly attacking. I don't have time to press the block button once he is about to attack. So that's what I'm going to fix today. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so actually that time to read the attacks, we can easily implement them with the designing of attack animations, but unfortunately I have only attack animations available with the 𝐒𝐻𝐴, so therefore I have to make it work with whatever the animations I got. So let's check one of basic attacks and see how to resolve that problem. Okay, let me open my weapon so that I can open an attack montage. Right, now for example, let's take this animation. So here the player, I am checking the attack right here under check hit, but I have, so before this check hit event, if I am going to block, I should have blocked, but so that I have only, let's take only about in here 0 to 0.5 seconds, that means less than 0.5 second reaction time. That's all I got. And also I am doing another thing. In my character, when I play the attack animations, I think I am using a multiplier. Let's check. I'm using a play rate of 1.6. so this is definitely, that means I have in here I have 0.5 seconds, so that means with the 1.6 rate I may have like 0.5 a reaction time like this. So that is not enough. So right, how can we solve it? I think if I define some event here to slow down the animation speed just for a little bit, then player will have some time to take a decision. I'm not sure if that's possible. Let's but only one way to find out. Okay, I'll name it slow down. Right. Now let's go to the animation blueprint and under notifiers, let's take that slow down. Actually, this must not happen for the player character because that would be somewhat of a disadvantage for the player. So this should only happen for the anime characters, but for now let's forget about that and let's do this. Okay, and so how is there a way to slow down the animation, the whole animation? Inside this the character blueprint, under advanced settings of the animation, we have this global anim rate scale parameter. Well, let's check if this works. For now I'll put 0.5 for this. I just want to check if that works. Right. Yeah, I think that is working. Alright, so maybe we can use that. So can I access it here? Global anim rate. It's not available here. Okay, so let's check here. Yeah, let's check if that is available here. Anim rate. Animation play. Okay, let's try this. I think I have to define a new blueprint interface function to access that. I'll call it slow down and not slow down, set anim rate scale. Okay, and yeah, and as an input I'll give a float. Oh, not rate scale, float. Okay, now I will implement it. Where should I implement it? I'll implement it here. Set anim rate scale and set global anim rate scale. Okay, right, now I should be able to access that from here. Set global, set anim rate scale. I'll set to 0.2 and after a delay of 0.5 seconds I'll reset this to 1. I hope this will work. Let's check. Okay, I won't attack. I will wait the enemy to attack. Right, I think it is working. I will not block and I'll press block in once he is about to attack. Right, now I have time to press the block. Good. Well, it may not be perfect as in the Odyssey, but still, that is something. And also one more thing. That applies for the player character as well. Like this. So that is not good for the player. So therefore, I should disable that for the player. So I can do it. First I'll open my the enemy character, the player character, and here set anim. I'll override that function, so I'll leave it like this. Right, now it is gone for the player. Let's check the enemy. Right, now enemy is taking some time to attack. Okay, so let's adjust this timing a little bit because I feel like enemy is taking too long. So let's set it to 0.3 and see, and put 2 enemies. Well, my evading is not perfect, but I can block. Alright, I think that's all I am going to do for today. So yeah, so step by step I'm going to make this combat system perfect, and that is one small step towards the perfection. Alright, so in the next episode I hope to continue to improve this combat system, and I hope you learned something. And if you want to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club, and there is this community, and you can ask any question regarding the game development you have. So I'll do my best to answer these questions, and also you will have, depending on the membership, you will have the access to project files and also other stuff that I post there. Okay, so see you in the next episode. Goodbye.